Alright, so this is another session for GCP fundamentals, getting started with the Kubernetes engine. I'm just going to log in to the password, accept it. That's it. Let's confirm. In this lab, we will learn how to perform provisioning a Kubernetes cluster using Kubernetes engine, deploy and manage Docker containers using kubectl. Agree, agree and continue. Alrighty. Okay, so we go to the home and click on APIs. API and services. Okay, dashboard. Okay, and we scroll down in the list of enabled APIs and confirm that both the APIs for Kubernetes engine API and container registry API is enabled. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's see if we can see more. 200. Try on Kubernetes. Okay, Kubernetes engine API. Status enabled. All right. Go back, and we need to check container registry API. Container container registry API. That is enabled as well. Alright, perfect. We're good. And now we start the Kubernetes engine cluster. GCP console, activate cloud shell. Okay, we go it from here. Continue. Alright, so I just have to export variable my zone central one A. Okay, start a Kubernetes cluster managed by Kubernetes engine. Name the cluster web front and configure it. So we use gcloud command. Write container clusters create web front. So this is the name for our cluster. web front end minus hyphen zone my zone run num hyphen nodes 2 Tower container clusters create web front end minus hyphen zone my zone minus hyphen num nodes 2. Alright. Cluster is being deployed now. Alright, so this is up and running now. We can run this command kubectl version. Okay. So now you can go and check in the compute engine. You should be able to see two servers, right, which are basically hosting the cluster for the instance which you created just now. Alright, so now we will go and deploy container. So we open up this spec and now we run kubectl run nginx image nginx :1.10.0 kubectl space run space nginx image is equal to nginx 1200. So now we are going to run this. Okay, this is done. So now if you were and run kubectl get birds, now you can see that it is running on the name this. Yes, okay. Now let's expose the nginx container to the internet. So we run kubectl expose deployment nginx put a type load balance. So kubectl expose deployment nginx port 80 and type load balancer. This will expose the port number, and so internet can expose. It has created a service and an external load balancer with a public IP address attached to it. The IP address remains the same for the life of the service. Any network traffic to that IP address is routed to pods behind the service. In this case, pod. So now we can run kubectl get services, and it is alright. So we can see we have Kubernetes running, and we have a service running. For the external IP, we can see this, right? So we've got the external IP now. Let's try to open it up. Alright, let's see if we can paste it. Wonderful. So we are able to access this website. So awesome. Now let's scale up the number of pods running on the service. Okay, so we go ahead and say kubectl scale deployment nginx replicas 3. So we will be running 3 replicas of this now. Scale. Awesome. Scaling up deployment is useful when you want to increase available resources for an application that is becoming more popular. I confirm that Kubernetes has updated the number of pods. We will get again on kubectl get pods. So initially when we ran, we just had 1. You see this one, but after running this command, now we can see there are 3. Awesome. Let's confirm that our IP address is same. Yes, the IP address is still the same. Okay, so this is done, I guess. Still loading. Awesome. That's it. Okay, guess we're done now. Alright, thank you.